Are you thinking about making a lump sum payment on your mortgage, but you're not sure if it's really worth it? Should you put that money toward your loan or keep it in savings? Today, I'm going to show you how our Mortgage Recast Calculator works, how to use it step by step, and why this is a tool you should absolutely save or bookmark if you own a home. First, let's quickly explain what a mortgage recast is. A mortgage recast happens when you make a large lump sum payment toward your principal balance. The lender then recalculates your monthly payment based on the new, lower balance, while keeping the same interest rate and loan term. This means lower monthly payments, less interest paid over time, no refinancing, no new loan. Now let's walk through the calculator. At the top, you'll see the loan information section. Here's what you enter: original loan amount, what you originally borrowed; current loan balance, what you still owe today; annual interest rate, your mortgage interest rate; remaining loan term, how many years are left; lump sum payment, the extra amount you're thinking of paying; recast fee. Most lenders charge between $150 and $500. Once you fill in these numbers, click Calculate Recast Benefits. Now this is where things get interesting. The calculator shows you a before versus after recast comparison. You can clearly see your current monthly payment, your new monthly payment after recast, your principal balance, your total interest paid, your projected payoff date. This makes it extremely easy to see whether a recast actually helps you, without guessing or doing math on your own. Below that, you'll see one of the most important numbers: total interest savings. This tells you how much money you could save over the life of the loan just by making a lump sum payment. You'll also see monthly payment reduction, break-even time return on your payment. This is powerful because it helps you decide, is this lump sum better used here or somewhere else? At the bottom, we also remind you of a few important things. Not all lenders allow recasts. Most lenders have minimum lump sum requirements. Recasts lower your payment, not your loan term. This tool helps you ask the right questions before calling your lender. This is exactly why this calculator is so valuable. Anytime you get a bonus, sell an asset, receive an inheritance, or just have extra cash, you can instantly check if a mortgage recast makes sense. That's why we recommend bookmarking or saving this calculator. It can literally help you save thousands of dollars. If you found this helpful, make sure to bookmark this calculator and subscribe for more free tools, tips, and explanations just like this. You can find this calculator at jccastleaccounting.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.